Welcome. Come on in. It's Thursday and it's happy hour. Home happy hour to be exact. So grab a drink and let's get started. Hi everybody. Today we're looking at a rainwater collection system. This is a barrel that we collect rainwater in, and then you can use it to water your plants in the summertime or just anytime you want. As you can see, the gutter is coming off of the roof, and this is where all of the majority of the rainwater is coming off of your roof. And then it's going into this hole, and I'll show you. There's holes in this, and it's netted. So you want it netted because anything that's on the roof you don't want getting into the water collection system. And this system is very simple. It's literally a big jar that holds all the water, and then there's a piece of pretty much a garden hose that's connected to the bottom of it, and then you can use that hose to connect it or connect it to an irrigation system or just water the grass or anything that you want to water with it. You can find these pretty much at Home Depot. I haven't bought one in a while because this one's been here for a little bit, or just a local nursery, they'll have it. So usually they're made out of plastic because they're easy to move, because sometimes you might want to move this to irrigate somewhere else in the yard. They're pretty rarely made out of metal or any fancy decorative material. You could cobble together anything you wanted for this, but plastic makes it easier because it's more mobile. There's some big things that you need to know about this. You've got to monitor this, because if it gets too full, which in Oregon with all of our rain it definitely can, it can overflow, and these are usually located right on your foundation, so you're going to get water in your basement if you don't pay attention to this. But the upside of it is pretty huge. One of these drums can save you up to 1,300 gallons of water a year, so it's not a small amount of water collection. And then additionally, the thing that's really cool about them is that you can save money on your water and sewer bill. So the city of Portland, you're usually paying mostly for sewer or stormwater management, and if you have all of your rain drains collecting water like this, then you get to get a huge discount on your water and sewer bill. So I hope this has been informative to you, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.